Hello, this is Adam with California Steeplejack. We're just going to show you what happens when a pole gets rusted from the inside. We had to take this one down. They're going to replace it with a new one. But if you tap on a pole like this, notice it has a very bonky sound. This top portion, I don't think it's rusted. That's what a pole should sound like. The top portion is okay, but this bottom portion, as you can tell, it sounds rusted. And it's so bad that you could take a hammer and chip away at the thing. Here, I just put a hole in there because, as you can hear, it sounds. There's rust inside. That basically it's rusting from the inside. So all this was inside the pole, and that's why it doesn't have the ting sound. All this is just. That's how bad it is. You could punch a hole right there. So if your pole is not tinging, that means you have internal rust, and it basically could fall at any point. When we dropped this pole, it actually bent right here just from the fall, and if it was a solid, strong pipe, it wouldn't have done that. It would have just stayed. So that's bad. That's good. If your whole pole sounds like that, then you're okay. But if it sounds like that, it could be a huge liability when that thing goes down.